everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about types of interviews and how to crack it. First type of interview is structured interview. Structured interview involves asking all candidates the same type of questions in same order. Structured interview involves asking all candidates the same type of question in same order. That means in case of structured interview, interviewers want to assess all candidates in consistent manners. For example, they can ask, how would you handle difficult customer situation? Or they can ask, tell me about a project where you demonstrated your so many skills. In order to prepare for this interview, you need to prepare answer of some job specific situational questions in your mind. And the second thing, you need to prepare summary of your experience in 30 to 60 seconds and listen every questions very carefully. And one most important thing, be positive and avoid any negative comment on your past employers. Next is unstructured interview. In case of unstructured interview, questions are not planned in advance. Whatever comes in interviewer mind during that moment, they can ask. For example, they can ask what made you interested in this opportunity, or they can ask what are your biggest achievements. In case of unstructured interview, we feel very friendly as compared to structured interview. That's why during unstructured interview, you should try to make friendly relationship with interviewers. But how you can make friendly relationship with interviewer? By adopting their personality, proper listen them. Next important thing, try to discuss your experiences and achievement with flexible way. Don't be so much rigid. For example, if your interviewer is very critical, then stay calm and only provide thoughtful answers. But if your interviewer is task focused, then provide clear and concise information with examples of your achievements. Next is a situational interview. In case of situational interview, interviewer asks candidate to respond hypothetical work related situation. That means the interviewer provide one imaginary work related situation to candidate and ask them how would you handle it, so that interviewer can understand how candidate will handle challenges at workplace. As we know, so many challenges are involved in workplace. For example, interviewer can ask how would you present new project idea to senior who is known for being very critical. In order to give answer of this question, you can use STAR method. Here S represents situation. That means first of all describe your situation. T represent task, then explain your responsibility during that situation. A is action, then explain how you complete your task. R is result, explain outcome or impact you did made. Now we will see how we will give answer of this question by using STAR method. First of all, describe your situation. Obviously, I am feeling very nervous because I am going to present a new project idea to a senior who is very critical. Task, explain your responsibility. My responsibility is to present my ideas with positive mindset. Action, explain how you complete this task. I will explain all positive aspects of a project. For example, this project is very beneficial for our company. Profit of our company will increase, market share will increase, and goodwill can also improve. Last step is result. Explain outcome. Obviously, if I will explain all positive outcomes of a project, the senior will definitely become agree. So by this way, you can answer this question. Next is a stress interview. In case of stress interview, interviewer deliberately create a stress in the mind of candidates so that they can know their stress handling skill. As we know, so much stress involved in a workplace. For example, interviewer can ask, why haven't you achieved so much in your career? Or interviewer can ask, how would you feel if you were rejected in this interview? During a stress interview, don't rush to answer. It's okay to admit if you are unsure about your answer. For example, you can give a reply like this: Sir, I am not sure, but I am saying it's okay. It will show your honesty. And stay calm and don't forget to pause and breathe. And only focus on relevant detail and avoid all irrelevant details and confidently give your answer. Next is a panel interview. When two or more person take your interview at same time, it will be called a panel interview. People often scare from panel interview because so many people will judge them. In order to succeed in panel interview, do some research about company and interviewers. Actively and equally engage with each panel member. Maintain positive body language, confidence and a facial expression as well. So this is all about types of interview. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.